Technological innovations in mining have become a key foundation and enabler of mine productivity and sustainability. Although the mining sector is eager to invest in the development of innovative solutions, there are a number of managerial and cultural barriers to the implementation of these innovations. These barriers include high risk profile associated with the implementation of a new technology which has not yet been proven, insufficient interdisciplinary collaboration and stakeholder engagement, and often a lack of a clear management process for the implementation and diffusion of technological innovations. An innovation culture is an important ingredient to the success of the innovation adoption. Knowing the extent and state of the innovation culture within an organisation is useful in order to foster and improve innovation outcomes. Such improvement is critical to ensure that mining firms remain viable and competitive in the long term. The Innovation Culture Assessment Tool, iCAT, was created to evaluate innovation culture in the mining context and address sector-specific barriers that slow the uptake of new technologies. The iCAT was developed at the Queensland University of Technology by our team at the Centre for Mining Equipment, Technology and Service Business Innovation in collaboration with the Cooperative Research Centre for Optimising Resource Extraction. The iCAT consists of 9 building blocks underpinning innovation culture in mining: openness to new ideas, opportunity recognition, new idea implementation, risk tolerance, teamwork, collaboration with external stakeholders, leadership, resource support, and processes. Openness to new ideas captures the extent to which the mining organisation encourages experimentation and ideas, regardless of their origin. Opportunity recognition captures the firm's ability to identify emerging opportunities in the market. This ability can significantly affect a firm's profit gains, growth, and market position. New idea implementation refers to the process of converting novel ideas that come from either within the organisation or its external environment into new or improved products, services, or processes. Risk tolerance captures the willingness to accept and deal with uncertainties associated with the adoption of new technologies. Teamwork examines the degree of collaboration and joint problem solving within the firm, including collaborations with interdisciplinary teams. Collaboration with external stakeholders evaluates the firm's ability to genuinely engage with external stakeholders, including the supply chain, government, and research institutions for mutual benefits. Leadership evaluates the ability of leaders within the firm to influence, motivate, and enable others to contribute towards innovation outcomes. Leadership support is an essential ingredient for championing the innovation and subsequently for its effective implementation. Resource support captures access to people, systems, time, space, and finance that support innovation. Processes evaluates the types of processes available in the organisation, including systems and tools that assist with capturing, developing, and implementing new ideas. The iCAT is easy to administer and takes approximately 20 minutes to complete. There are 63 statements corresponding to the 9 innovation culture building blocks, as well as 22 statements measuring innovation performance across 5 dimensions: innovative technology, innovative enterprise, client focus, individual innovation behaviour, and team innovation behaviour. The iCAT is intended to capture not only managers' perspectives, but also views of employees across different organisational levels. When administering the tool, we offer 3 recommendations. Distribute the tool to organisational members across different parts and levels of the organisation. Encourage responses and try to include as many of them as possible to improve the validity of the results. Ensure that each person can complete the survey independently and confidentially. To calculate the overall results, the individual scores are aggregated. That is, an average is calculated for each statement. Next, an average score is calculated for each building block by calculating the mean value of all the statements within each block. The final average of the 9 innovation culture building blocks represents the company's overall score, referred to as the Innovation Culture Index. The final building block scores can be mapped into a spider diagram, which compares the scores of a mining firm or a work unit against a benchmark, revealing how the firm performs compared to an industry average. The iCAT provides mining firms with an evidence-based approach for evaluating their innovation culture. The tool delivers an easy-to-administer scorecard that allows mining firms to identify the strengths of their innovation culture and areas potentially benefiting from further development. In addition to the benefits mentioned in the video introducing the iCAT, the tool is useful for large as well as medium-sized mining organisations. It provides valuable information to each level within a mining firm where different innovation attitudes may be present. For example, local managers can use the tool to assess the innovation subculture in their work units and then compare their subcultures with other units. Executives and senior managers may be more interested in benchmarking data and can draw on the tool to access information about how the overall organisation is performing against the industry average. If you want to learn more about the iCAT and our latest research, including the video introducing the iCAT, visit us at the CMBI website.